Hello students, once again I am here with you with the chapter Food and Health, that is chapter 5, and today I am going to give you definitions of this chapter. Okay, and the definitions are of nutrient, health, diseases, balanced diet, non-communicable disease, communicable disease, and deficiency disease. Okay, so these are the definitions. Okay, so now I will start from the today. First of all, I will start from the, see this, food and health chapter. Define. Number 1 is the nutrient, and the spelling is NUTRIENTS. Okay, what? NUTRIENTS. This is nutrients. Okay, now you will write the definition like this. Nutrients are substances present in food that are required for proper growth and development of our body. Okay, again I am going to repeat it. Nutrients are substances present in food that are required for proper growth and development of our body. Okay, and you will write the examples also, and I have written 2 examples. Number 1 is the fat, and second one is the protein. Protein, PROTEIN. So these are the 2 examples. You have to write any 2 examples, but its spelling should be correct. Okay, now move to the second definition, that is the health. HEALTH, health. Now see, what is health? Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. Okay, so we will write definition. I am going to recite it again. Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. Okay, this is health. Now come to the definition number 3, that is diseases. Okay, so then what will you write? A disease. Here I have written diseases. You can also write here disease. When you will write disease, then you will start from A, and when you will write diseases, then you will start from diseases are. Here I have started from the a disease, that means here disease. Okay, a disease is any defect or abnormality found in the body. Okay, what? A disease is any defect or abnormalities found in the body. I think now you can write the definition of disease. Okay, now move to the fourth number, that is the balanced diet. See this, balanced diet, BALANCED, balanced DIET, diet. Okay, so what is the balanced diet? A diet having all the nutrients in proper amount is called a balanced diet. A diet having all the nutrients in proper amount is called a balanced diet. Okay, a diet having all the nutrients in proper amount is called a balanced diet. So this is the definition of balanced diet. Okay, now move to the communicable diseases. Communicable spelling COMMUNICAPLE. Again I am going to recite it. COMMUNICAPLE, communicable diseases, DISEASES, diseases. So what will you write the definition of communicable disease? You will write diseases that can be transmitted from one person to another are called communicable diseases. Okay, you will write diseases that can be transmitted from one person to another person are called communicable diseases. I think now you can write the definition of the communicable disease, and you have to write the here examples also. I have given 2 examples here. Number 1 is the malaria, 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 and the second one is the chicken pox, CHICKEN, chicken, POX, pox. Okay, so both are the communicable diseases. Now move to the non-communicable diseases. So what will you write? You will write spelling is before communicable you will write add non, none. So NONCOMMUNICABLE, communicable, DISEASES, diseases. So we will write a definition of communicable diseases, that diseases that cannot be transmitted from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases, and you have to write the examples also. Okay, so here see the examples. Examples are: number 1, I have written berry, berry, BERI, berry, berry. And second example is the goiter, GOITRE, goiter. Okay, so these are the definitions of nutrient, health, diseases, balanced diet, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. One more definition is there, that is the deficiency disease. Okay, DEFICIENCY, deficiency disease, DISEASC, disease. That means you will write the definition of this deficiency disease like this. See this: disease caused due to lack of or deficiency of any nutrient in diet is called deficiency disease. Okay, so and the examples are the beriberi and ricket. That means non-communicable diseases are the deficiency diseases. So we will write here disease caused due to the lack of or deficiency of any nutrient in diet is called deficiency disease. Okay, and you have to write the examples also. So here I have given all the definitions. Okay, and you will learn and write all the definition. Your homework is that you will learn and write all the definitions. Okay, learn first, you will learn the definition. That means first learn and then write all the definitions. Okay, all the definitions in your notebook. So you will learn and write all the definitions. This is all about the definitions, and hope you will complete these definitions nicely. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.